What's up guys, it's GF Test channel. Today, Nubia Red Magic 3 PUBG gaming test. It's a event place, just I'm testing the performance, how is it? Yep, let's the settings and the display settings. It supports the HDR only, not full HD plus, and bottom is the ultra settings. And I'm setting the full brightness and everything settings is fully maximum. And how it's the gaming perform, any lag or any issues? Yep, and let's look the notification settings, this guys, and this the gaming mode is already started. Everything is working fine, and this phone is a liquid cooling plus air cooling system, and maximum sound is here now. How is the gaming perform? What do you think guys? Is the gaming master? Also is Snapdragon 850 which is a processor and 12 gigabytes of the RAM. And this phone is a notch display, is a normal display, so it's a gaming perform, and because the gaming looking is really amazing, no display is out of now. Okay, what do you think guys, the gaming performance? Guys, let's watch the gaming review and how should the perform, and finally what's your opinion comment in the comment section below. Let's watch now.
Sun come up, ganja smoking, they got rum in me cup. Bad girls wind up on the dance floor. All the girls